Hey guys, what's up? My name is Sebas, and if you already subscribed to this channel, you basically know I'm a photographer and filmmaker in the first place. But a couple of weeks ago, I scrolled through Instagram and I was attracted by a completely new topic that makes me a little bit obsessed, and that is FPV. So everybody of you asking now, what the hell is FPV? Actually, it's just a shortcut for first-person view. And when I'm talking about FPV, I'm talking about drones. I mean, everybody of you know these kind of drones, like from DJI, which are perfect for filmmakers. They capture really smooth footage, they're easy to fly, they have great cameras, and almost everybody is able to fly one of these drones nowadays. But then there are these kind of drones. I just have a small one here. This is like a training drone, I would call it. These drones have like small cameras. The quality is really shit, but everything that these cameras saw, you can see on these kind of goggles, and this is analog technology. So the picture is really bad, like you're looking at the 70s TV with all the squizzles in there, and you have to fly it with such a controller. And as I already said, this is just a small example because I haven't built a big one yet, because this is the whole backside. You have to build all this stuff by yourself. So you buy all the parts, the motors, the flight controllers. You have to program it by yourself, soldering everything together, and yeah, then you just put a GoPro on it. And what this footage could look like, I'm going to show you now, so you understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, you just saw some clips that make me really obsessed about this topic compared to some footage that I shoot myself with the DJI drone. It's kind of like combining handheld shots with gimbal shots. That's something I really like to do, and I actually do it most of the time on my projects. But just instead with normal cameras, we can do it now with drones. And that was something I really loved, and I was really thinking about getting myself into this, because this is like normally a really nerdy kind of thing. So that's why I decided to make a YouTube series about the whole FPV stuff. And for that, I teamed up with one of the biggest brands in this game. It's Team Black Sheep. And they sent me a bunch of stuff. We're going to build the first drone just right from the beginning to a final product, go out flying. I will tell you how long does it take to get smooth footage that's actually usable, because these kind of drones are much harder to fly than these ones. And yeah, I hope you're gonna join this journey together with me, and maybe you're also interested in this and get your hands into this whole FPV thing. Yeah, would nice to see you in the next video, so subscribe to this channel and see you soon.